Hi, I'm Marianne. I am the Integral Yoga Teachers Association Membership Coordinator. I'm also the Continuing Education Coordinator for the Integral Yoga Academy here in Yogaville. And I'd like to tell you a bit about what we do at the IYTA, the Integral Yoga Teachers Association. We are a membership-based organization, and we are open to participants, teacher training graduates from any of our integral yoga trainings. And we are here to provide community, sangha, and continuing education as well as networking to our members. We have many benefits that we can offer. As I said, we offer networking and community by way of our quarterly newsletter, the IYTA newsletter. We also have our forum for our members, and we have a website with our members' home, members-only section. This is our flyer with all the current benefits we're offering. We're constantly updating it and constantly receiving feedback from our members so we can offer better services and better, juicier benefits. Like I said, you received your quarterly newsletter. You received the members-only resource in the website. You also receive exposure to potential students by way of the IYTA directory. We present this directory in two ways. We have the online directory, and that one is updated in real time daily. We also offer the printed IYTA directory that was issued yearly with your updates and your contact info, so students interested in an integral yoga teacher can find you easily. You also get your contact person, namely me. I'm here. I would love to say 24 hours, but close enough. I'm here from daily, Monday through Friday at the ashram. You can reach me at 434-969-3121, extension 177. Yes, we're back to extension 177. I'd like everybody to know that. And you can also reach me by email at membership@iyta.org, or you may write to me at IYTA Membership at 108 Yogaville Way, Buckingham, Virginia 23921. I'm here to answer all your questions about membership benefits, liability insurance, continuing education, if you need help maybe tallying up your Yoga Alliance or Virginia Nurses hours, or if you have any question, any Yogaville Integral Yoga ashram related question, you can call me if you're not sure what department you need, and we'll wrestle it up for you and let you know what you need, get you the answer or get you the proper person to address your needs or your concerns. You also receive, as part of membership benefit, discounts on teacher trainings here in Yogaville, San Francisco, New York, Mexico, and India. You receive discounts on weekend programs or personal retreats here in Yogaville. Discounts at Integral Yoga Distribution, at Shakticom. Also discounted magazines. Our Integral Yoga magazine is one of our discounted magazines, also for other popular yoga magazines. You also become eligible to join the Yogaville Credit Union, and many more discounts and benefits. And like I said, we are constantly working and receiving your feedback, so we may develop better and bigger benefits. And I'm here at your service.